How to pin chats on Zangi app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can pin chats on Zangi app. And then the first step is to log in into your Zangi application, just like I have done here. So once you're logged into your Zangi application, you can see some icons at the top part of the screen, which includes the chat icon, the calls icon, your friends tab, as well as your settings icon. Then, once you can see all of this, the next step is to go ahead and click on your chat icon. After clicking on your chat icon, the next thing to do is to open the chat, and then you have to tap and hold on the chat that you want to prioritize. All right, just tap and hold it this way. And then once you tap and hold it this way, by the top part of the screen, some icons will be displayed, which includes the pin icon, the delete chat icon, as well as the three horizontal lines. By the time you click on three horizontal lines, you can see the option is displaying. And then for delete is to delete the particular chat. Then for you to be able to pin chat, all you need to do is just to click on pin, and then just like that, the chat will be pinned. You can do this for as many chats as you want. All right, so that is how it works. Just navigate to the chats you want to pin, tap and hold on the chats you wish to prioritize, select the pin icon at the top part of the screen, and then just like that, your chats will be pinned. All right, by pinning a chat, you ensure that it stays at the top of your chat list, making it easier to find and access. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.